Okay, can you read this to me?
Brush my teeth.
What do you want?
I want cookie.
One more time, what do you want?
I want a cookie.
Very good. What don't you want?
I don't want fish.
Do you want cake?
Yes, I do.
Do you want a salad?
No, I don't.
Okay, can you read this?
Not hop, jump,
Soft or
G,
hard G? Soft or hard? G, G, G?
G, G, G.
Are you sure? It's this. What's this called? It's a...
G. G, G, G.
Hard or soft G?
Hard G.
This one? Do you remember what this is? This is a...
Grand.
Soft G, 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 G.
G, G.
Soft G, 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 G.
G, G.
Oh, so?
Jam.
Okay. And?
Leak.
E, E, E.
Leak.
E, E,
E,
So?
the egg. Leg.
Good, okay. Alright.
My name is Matt. This is my family. This is my father. He is in the kitchen. This is my mom. She is in the living room. This is my brother, David. This is in the bathroom.
One more time.
He is in the bathroom.